All right, everybody, so we're back from Texas, from the LS Dealer Conference, and it feels good to be back in the tractor. We had a great time, met some old friends, some old dealers, and then hung out with old Tyler. See my new hat? Old Tyler's all right. When you bring me a hat, I like that. Yeah, it was a good time. It was good meeting him and his family and hanging out with him and Adam from Hometown Acres. It was a good show, so hopefully a lot of good came out of it. And if you didn't see that video, that's my last video, and it kind of talks about what we talked about at the conference, so be sure to check that out. And Tyler made one too, so check that one out too. Today I'm just out here. The time change has got me all messed up from going over to Texas, and then with the daylight savings I'm kind of tired. So this afternoon I just been going around. I want to get that giant pumpkin out of the yard, put it in the compost pile, and then been bringing in some logs so that we can cut here whenever the cold weather does come. That's what we're getting ready for. We've only had one fire so far, and here we are in the middle of November, but eventually the cold's gonna come and we wanna be ready. So I'm gonna go ahead, grab some more firewood rounds or logs. I don't know how much more I'll get in before it gets dark this evening. Okay, so we're back out here today, and we're out here where I have a cherry log that I cut up, and I kind of want to see if Kaylee here can drive up to the log and pick it up with the grapple. What do you think? You think you can do it?
I don't think so.
You don't think?
No.
Why not? It's just right there. You're not going to drive that far. And I already showed you where the brake is, and then forward and reverse. You just take your time, and I'm going to be right here the whole time. And you're just going to run the joystick and open up. You remember how to open up and close?
Open, close.
Well,
like
whichever way it is. But let's fire it up and see how you do. All right? Down, right. Put it down. Okay. Can you turn? All right. Open. Okay, come on. Okay. Open. Down. Okay, now come on. Okay, squeeze. Up. Yeah! That was awesome.
That was fun.
You did really good. All right, I'll drive it back. I'm like a little kid right now. This is what you dream about as a dad, you know? And you're what, 11 years old?
Yes.
And she hasn't even drove the side-by-side yet, and now she's driving a tractor. So that ought to make, whenever you start driving a vehicle, even easier, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, squeeze. Squeeze. Up. Yeah. good. You can do the hand motions perfect. All right, you want to try to drive it a little ways? Just drive it a little ways. I feel better. This isn't heavy like the last one. Drop it down a little bit closer to the ground. Just a little bit, okay. Okay. Now, just drive it out there to the field. That's good. Good job. This just, you're on a hill here. I don't want you driving on that yet. Good job. Okay, so there's a nice pile of logs for us to work on whenever it starts getting cold and snowy, and trying to get this before everything gets wet. And Kaylee is helping out with it.
Yep.
Okay, I started something here. Now she wants to drive all the tractors, don't you? So she's gonna drive the 225s up to the barn because we're gonna get a trailer full of firewood. So you got your parking brake off. Go ahead, rev it up, and then go ahead and take off. Rev it up. More. Keep going. All right, go ahead. Push the pedal down. Hold up. Maybe we can move up your seat. Here. There, try that. There you go. Okay. Take it down the road, but stop there on my road where I take it down to the yard. Okay? Go ahead. Go slow. Yeah, by the tree. Go slow. Get over here on the road. Set your parking brake. Hold. Yep. I'll let it. Okay. Let me on. I'll take it the rest of the way. Good job. Good job. Good job. So now she wants to drive everything I have, but you learned that backing up's a whole different story, isn't it?
Yes.
And then backing up with a trailer is a whole different story. There's all kinds of people that cannot back up a trailer, so don't feel bad about that. But you'll get the hang of it backing up. It's just something you gotta get the feel for, and then it's the same with the trailer. But you did really good today. I'm proud of you. All right, so we're doing pretty good here. Got that pile about halfway across the wall there. And then there on the back, that is all locust firewood there. This stuff here is dry, ready to be burned. I've got a few old bundles here that I told my customer I'd sell him probably $6 a bundle because they don't have the bags. And then we got the 20 bags that Kaylee and I did there a few weeks ago. So, and then don't forget about, we got the 3 totes of firewood sitting beside the house. So we're sitting pretty good for the winter, whenever it wants to start.
Yes.
Well, I think I may have started something here. I think I'm going to see less tractor time probably for myself. What do you think?
Yes.
Because now she wants to drive them all. I don't think we're ready for the shuttle shift yet because I don't think you could get the clutch, but you did really, really good today, and I am proud of you. This is something you dream about as a dad, being able to teach your kids, and you did really, really good for your first try. And we'll work on the backing up and all that stuff, but I hope you guys enjoyed this, because this is why I like doing the videos, so I can come back and look Kaylee's very first time driving the tractor. So I'm going to end this video here. We're going to finish putting this wood in the shed. I think we're going to be good for winter because we've only had 1 fire so far, so we'll see what happens. But we'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hey friends, did you enjoy that last video? If you did, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. That way you can get notified every time we post a video. And while you're there, be sure to check out our playlist and our store for some awesome Farmhouse merch. We appreciate every single one of you. Thank you.